There's nothing worse than getting into your car, turning the key, and realizing the battery is completely dead. That's exactly what happened with my Lexus. Now, I was sent this car battery jump starter by the brand, and it ended up being the perfect opportunity to put it to a real world test. Right here, you can see me turning the key, and none of the dashboard lights come on. No signs of life at all. That's when I grabbed the jump starter. As you can see, I connected the clamps to the battery, red to the positive terminal, and black to the negative terminal. After letting it sit for a few seconds, I went back into the car and tried the ignition again. This time the dashboard came to life and the engine started right up. Honestly, seeing a completely dead vehicle come back to life that quickly was pretty impressive. One thing I like about this unit is that it's more than just a jump starter. It also includes a built-in air compressor. As you can see, I used it to inflate my tires. I like that it includes an automatic shut-off feature. You simply set your target pressure, start the inflation process, and it stops automatically when the desired pressure is reached. The large display is another feature I appreciate because it makes it easy to monitor battery level, tire pressure, and other information while using the unit. This jump starter is rated for gas engines up to 8 liters and diesel engines up to 4 liters, and it can perform multiple jump starts on a single charge. It also includes USB charging ports, making it useful as a portable power bank for phones and other electronics when you're on the road. For me, the biggest selling point is having multiple roadside tools combined into one device. Instead of carrying a separate jump starter, tire inflator, flashlight, and power bank, it's all packed into a single unit that's easy to keep in the vehicle. If you like being prepared for unexpected situations on the road, this is definitely one worth keeping in your car.